What is the standard way to add n seconds to Datetime.Time in Python? Given a Datetime.Time value in Python, is there a standard way to add an integer number of seconds to it, so that 11 column 34 column 59 plus 3 equals 11 column 35 column 02, for example? These obvious ideas don't work. In the end, I have written functions like this. I can't help thinking that I'm missing an easier way to do this though. Related. Python time plus time delta equivalent.
You can use full day time variables with time delta, and by providing a dummy date then using time to just get the time value. For example, results in the two values, 3 seconds apart. You could also opt for the more readable, if you're so inclined. If you're after a function that can do this, you can look into using its X below. This outputs
As others here have stated, you can just use full datetime objects throughout. However, I think it's worth explaining why full datetime objects are required. Consider what would happen if I added 2 hours to 11 p.m. What's the correct behavior? An exception, because you can't have a time larger than 11:59 p.m. Should it wrap back around? Different programmers will expect different things, so whichever result they picked would surprise a lot of people. Worse yet, programmers would write code that worked just fine when they tested it initially, and then have it break later by doing something unexpected. This is very bad, which is why you're not allowed to add time delta objects to time objects.
One little thing might add clarity to override the default value for seconds.
You cannot simply add number to datetime, because it's unclear what unit is used, seconds, hours, weeks. There is timer delta class for manipulations with date and time. Datetime minus datetime gives timer delta, datetime plus timer delta gives datetime. 2 datetime objects cannot be added, although 2 timer delta can. Create timer delta object with how many seconds you want to add and add it to datetime object. There is same concept in C++, std chrono duration.
Thanks to @Pax Diablo, @Fumu and @Arachnid for the suggestion of using full datetimes throughout. If I have to accept Datetime.Time objects from an external source, then this seems to be an alternative @_seconds_to_time function. This verbose code can be compressed to this one-liner. But I think I'd want to wrap that up in a function for code clarity anyway.